Hey there, DIY enthusiasts and handy folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've compiled a list of 15 must-have tools and accessories that every DIYer and handyman should consider adding to their arsenal. From extracting stubborn screws to precise laser measurements, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive into the first tool on our list.
Number 1. The Think Pro 13 Pieces Screw Extractor Set is a versatile solution for effortlessly removing damaged studs, bolts, and screws. Its unique double-head stud extractor design enables direct connection with a wrench, eliminating the need for a connecting sleeve and simplifying removal in tight spaces. The set's portability is enhanced by its storage box, allowing for on-the-go maintenance tasks for bikes, boats, trucks, SUVs, and more. Crafted from high-hardness chrome molybdenum steel, each extractor guarantees durability, corrosion resistance, and efficient tapping with its internal left-handed spiral design. With engraved socket sizes ranging from 7/8 inch to 3/8 inch hex adapter, this set is compatible with various needs, whether in automotive repairs or home projects. Its versatility extends to both power and hand tools, making it an essential tool for fast and efficient removal of broken screws, bolts, nuts, studs, and more. The Think Pro Screw Extractor Set stands as a reliable companion for DIYers and craftsmen alike.
Number 2. The Kcb End Cutting Pliers are a versatile and high-quality addition to any toolkit, offering a range of functions for both soft and hard wire. With precision-engineered cutting edges, these pliers excel in twisting, cutting, pulling, binding wire, and various other tasks. The design includes features such as a nail puller, staple puller, cat paw, screw nipper, and flush cutting capabilities, providing an all-in-one solution for carpentry needs. Crafted from high-grade special steel, these pliers are not only durable but also forged, oil-hardened, and finished in black for a sleek appearance. The PVC handle ensures a comfortable grip during prolonged use. The head shape is optimized for efficient movement when tightening steel mesh knots during reinforced work, adding to the tool's overall versatility. With a size of 7 inches, 175 millimeters, these Kcb End Cutting Pliers are a reliable and precise tool for various applications in carpentry and wirework.
Number 3. The Platinum Edge Bolt Extractor Tool Set stands out as a premium and durable solution for tackling stripped, rusted, or rounded nuts, sockets, and bolts. Crafted from high-hardness chrome molybdenum steel, these extractors boast a reverse spiral flute design that bites down with maximum gripping power, ensuring efficient removal of even the toughest fasteners. Featuring a comprehensive range of sizes, the 13-piece 3/8 inch drive bolt and nut remover kit is marked for easy identification. From 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, this set covers various applications in home appliances, vehicle repairs, and industrial instruments. The universal design with a standard 3/8 inch square drive allows compatibility with hand ratchets, impact wrenches, and air ratchets. The special internal thread design is precision engineered for extracting damaged bolts, lug nuts, and screws effectively. For convenient storage and portability, the set comes in a heavy-duty blow-molded case, keeping all bolt removers organized and easily accessible. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, the PLATINUMEDGE Bolt Extractor Tool Set proves to be a reliable and versatile addition to your toolkit.
Number 4. The MMNZE Electric Hydraulic Rebar Bender offers superlative performance, effortlessly bending rebar from 0 to 130 degrees to 5/8 inch, 16 millimeters, in just seconds. This level of efficiency not only enhances work productivity but also ensures that it meets the demands of various bending needs. Operating this machine is a breeze. Simply press the switch, and the bending block smoothly moves forward, allowing you to easily shape the rebar into the desired arc. The process is not only efficient but also safe. Equipped with quench technology, the RB16 electric hydraulic steel bar bending machine features a pressure-reducing valve that releases force after the steel bar is bent. The bending block is precision cast steel, ensuring durability and longevity. The machine's robust build, featuring a sturdy cast iron body and a high-strength bend block, guarantees a strong clamping force, resulting in excellent rebar bending. This makes it a reliable choice for a wide range of applications in construction engineering. including bending rebar, steel bars, steel rods, and screws. The MMNZE electric hydraulic rebar bender is a valuable addition to any construction site, offering efficiency, safety, and versatility. Number 5. The Keyin 16 PC's titanium oscillating tool blades kit stands out for its exceptional durability and versatility. Constructed with bimetal material, the saw teeth are plated with titanium carbide, boosting the blade's hardness by 50%. This results in outstanding wear resistance, making them twice as durable as ordinary oscillating saw blades. Ideal for cutting metal and hard materials, these blades offer a prolonged service life. The kit includes 3 extra-wide blades, 65mm, 2.5-inch, designed for efficiently cutting larger diameters of metal, plastic, copper pipes, and expansive flooring areas. The titanium-coated bimetal oscillating saw blades cater to a broad range of applications, including wood cutting, aluminum sheet cutting, metal cutting, door frames, and more. Equipped with a universal interface, the Keyin blades come with 3 additional adapters, ensuring compatibility with 98% of oscillating tools like Fine, Milwaukee, Ryobi, DeWalt, and others. Notably, these blades are not designed for the StarLock interface system. The oscillating saw blades feature laser-marked technology on both sides, ensuring clear and bright printed scales that remain visible even after prolonged use. The scale unit includes centimeters and inches, facilitating more accurate and quick cutting. Individually packaged for protection, each titanium oscillating saw blade is stored in a box to prevent collision damage, making them easy to carry and store. The Keyin 16 PC's titanium oscillating tool blades kit is a reliable and efficient choice for a variety of cutting applications, combining durability, precision, and convenience. Number 6. The ChannelLock HP4 ECP4 PC's hook and pick set, proudly crafted in the USA, is a testament to precision, durability, and versatility. This set includes 4 essential picks: a 180-degree full hook, a straight pick, a 90-degree pick, and a complex probe. Ideal for various applications, these picks enable the removal of small fuses, wire plugs, and O-rings with ease. Perfect for gunsmiths and a range of other applications, the compact precision picks feature a 3-inch round shaft, providing optimal control and maneuverability in tight spaces. The high-performance handle is heat-stabilized and modified for outstanding abrasion protection, impact resistance, and chemical tolerance. This ensures longevity and reliability in demanding tasks. Crafted from rugged high-alloy US steel, the blades undergo vacuum heat treatment, striking a balance between hardness and resilience for peak performance. The vibrant polished shaft not only provides a non-porous finish but is also coated for corrosion resistance, enhancing the overall durability of the set. Whether you're working on intricate tasks or need reliable tools for gunsmithing, the ChannelLock HP4 ECP4 PC's hook and pick set stands out as a premium choice, offering precision, resilience, and a touch of American craftsmanship. Number 7. The Amtast Single 60-Degree Gloss Meter, model AMT602, is a precision instrument designed for measuring gloss in various materials, including paint, coating, ink, plastic, paper, ceramic, stone, metal, and electroplating surface layers. This gloss meter features a digital LCD display, utilizing a sensor from Japan and a processor chip from the US to ensure high precision in the measured values. One of the key strengths of this gloss meter is its super stability, verified through rigorous testing. Each unit undergoes 412 calibration tests, 43,200 stability tests, 110 hours of accelerated aging tests, and 17,000 vibration tests, guaranteeing reliable and consistent performance. Crafted with a shell made from Dow Corning TISLV material, known for its desirable elasticity, the gloss meter offers a comfortable grip, enhancing user experience during measurements. The device boasts a large battery capacity, utilizing a custom-made advanced high-density lithium battery with 3000 mAh. This design ensures continuous testing for an impressive 54,300 times, providing long-lasting performance without frequent recharging. Portability is a notable feature, with the gloss meter weighing only 400 grams. This lightweight design makes it extremely convenient to carry, allowing users to perform gloss measurements anytime and anywhere. The Amtast Single 60-Degree Gloss Meter stands out as a reliable, stable, and portable tool for professionals in industries where precise gloss measurements are crucial. Number 8. The Lambu Ladder offers a unique and patented design, providing a convenient and secure solution for various tasks. This aluminum 5-step ladder comes with handrails, an anti-slip wide pedal, and a tool platform, making it ideal for a range of applications at home, outdoors, or during professional work. One standout feature is the upgraded telescoping extension mechanism, allowing the ladder to be quickly extended and stored. This lightweight and portable ladder weighs only 20 pounds, 9 kg, and fold down to a compact size of 21 by 5.9 by 46.5 inches, ensuring easy storage without taking up much space. The inclusion of handrails and a tool tray adds a level of functionality, making overhead tasks such as changing light bulbs on stairs more manageable. The ladder's all-aluminum construction ensures durability, corrosion resistance, and a weight capacity of 330 pounds. ASNI tested to 750 pounds with no deformation. It provides stability and safety in various work scenarios. The anti-slip step ladder and trapezoidal legs effectively inhibit shaking, eliminating the pressure generated at heights and improving overall efficiency. This upgraded version of the telescopic aluminum stepladder is not only lightweight and flexible but also environmentally friendly, corrosion-resistant, abrasion-resistant, and capable of withstanding high and low temperatures without deformation, fading, or emitting odors. The Lambu Ladder stands out as a practical, safe, and reliable choice for your climbing and work needs. Number 9. The Midlesi S7 Multifunctional Laser Measure is a professional tool catering to large-scale projects with a range of up to 330 feet and an accuracy of plus or minus 1/16 inch. Ideal for engineers in complex job sites, its rugged design and portability ensure precise measurements in demanding environments. The 2.4-inch color IPS display provides clear readouts, even in sunlight, and its user-friendly interface allows easy navigation. Connectivity with the Smart Life app facilitates on-site planning and data storage. Offering 15 measurement modes, including trapezoid and stakeout measurements, the S7 is versatile and time-saving. With rechargeable or AAA battery options, ergonomic design, and IP65 protection, it excels in durability and performance on real job sites. Number 10. The Deco Pro Cordless Drill 20-volt electric power drill set is a versatile and efficient tool for various drilling tasks. With the capability to drill through wood, metal, ceramics, and plastic, it offers a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to any toolkit. Powered by a 20-volt electric drill, this cordless tool features two variable speeds, 0 to 350 and 0 to 1350 revolutions per minute, and 18+1 torque settings, providing precision and control for different drilling needs. The inclusion of a 20-volt 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery and charger ensures convenient cordless operation, allowing for flexibility and freedom of movement during tasks. Designed for ease of use and portability, the compact and lightweight drill weighs only 2.5 pounds. This makes the Deco Pro cordless drill a practical choice, allowing users to carry it effortlessly to various job sites while delivering reliable power and performance. Number 11. The Sunbeam 379 PC's Home Toolkit stands out as a comprehensive and portable solution for household and auto repairs. Its unique opening and closing design maximize storage space for high-quality chrome-plated tools, ensuring durability and strength. The TPR material handle provides a comfortable grip, enhancing usability and extending tool lifespan. Ideal for home renovation, automotive work, and general improvements, this toolkit proves to be a valuable companion for DIYers and homeowners. The extensive tool collection includes a claw hammer, spirit level, tape measure, metric and imperial, hex wrench set, wire strippers, screwdriver, water pump pliers, ratchet wrench set, adjustable wrench, combination wrench, needle nose pliers, precision screwdriver kit, electrical tape, wood screw combination kit, scissors, voltage pen, and more. Housed in a durable plastic case with interior molded compartments, the tools are well protected and easily accessible. The case's portability ensures that you always have the necessary tools at hand, making it a perfect choice for homeowners, mechanics, handymen, apartment dwellers, and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 12. The General Tools Scratch All tool is a precision woodworking tool designed for scribing, layout work, and piercing wood. Crafted with a rust-resistant steel blade, this awl serves multiple purposes, including punching, screwing holes, scribing, and perforating wood. The sharp point and contoured, fluted hardwood handle make it a preferred choice among carpenters and artisans. As a craft awl, it excels in creating shallow grooves along the wood grain, reducing the likelihood of hand saw or chisel wandering during woodworking projects. The contoured and fluted hardwood handle ensures a comfortable grip for extended use. Featuring a steel blade through the grip, fastened to a plated steel ferrule and cap, this awl is a durable and reliable hand tool. Awls with rounded points can mark hole locations, aiding in subsequent hole punching tasks. Efficient and time-saving, the General Tools Scratch Awl allows for quick starting points for drill bits, saving time compared to sanding out any potential damage. With the ability to withstand heavy pressure and challenging workloads, this pocket awl is a valuable addition to any woodworking toolkit.
Number 13. The GrowIt 8-inch Professional Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears, T13, are a superior choice for garden enthusiasts. Crafted from premium SK5 steel, these shears exhibit exceptional durability, tackling various gardening tasks effortlessly. With a 7.5 cm blade and 3.6 cm wide opening, they offer precise cutting for branches of different sizes. The titanium-coated bypass mechanism ensures clean, efficient cuts, reducing plant stress. A built-in safety lock provides secure blade closure, enhancing safety during storage. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic handle minimizes hand fatigue, featuring a non-slip texture for enhanced control, even in wet conditions. Versatile and suitable for delicate flower trimming or tackling thicker tree branches, these shears excel in various gardening tasks. Easy to maintain, they are rust-resistant, ensuring prolonged sharpness with minimal care. The GrowIt Professional Titanium Bypass Pruning Shears are a reliable, versatile, and low-maintenance tool for a flourishing garden.
Number 14. The Workus 4-in-1 Roller Stand is a versatile work center that combines the functions of a roller stand, sawhorses, V-shaped, and multi-directional rollers, offering an all-in-one solution for woodworking tasks. With this innovative design, it facilitates flexible movement of boards, secure rolling of round materials, expansion of sawing machines, and even serves as a functional workbench, providing a comprehensive DIY experience. Constructed with heavy-duty square steel and a triangular structure with 4 legs, supports, and a crossbeam, this roller stand is exceptionally stable, supporting a weight capacity of up to 440 pounds, 3 times more than traditional table saw roller stands. Non-slip rubber bases on each foot ensure rock-solid stability, instilling confidence during work. The adjustable height feature, ranging from 33-inch to 50-inch, allows for 10-step adjustments to accommodate various work situations and ensure leveling. The sturdy double-locking lever and wedge-shaped design of the lifting column prevent sliding and accidental drops during operation. The 7-ball-bearing multi-directional rollers, made of high-quality steel with zinc-plated surfaces, provide a smooth rolling experience while resisting rust. The polished directional rollers and V-shaped rollers boast a superior sealing design, maintaining optimal rotational performance even in dusty workshop environments. The Workus 4-in-1 roller stand is a reliable and versatile addition to any woodworking space, enhancing stability and functionality for DIY enthusiasts. Number 15. The battery charger replacement for DeWalt 12-volt, 20-volt max battery charger station Kcb 104 offers superior compatibility and multiple ports for efficient charging. Compatible with DeWalt batteries like Kcb 120, Kcb 124, Kcb 127, Kcb 204, Kcb 205-2, Kcb 206, and more, it charges both 12-volt max and 20-volt max batteries simultaneously. Featuring 4 ports, this battery charger supports 100 to 240 volt AC input and delivers a 3 amps output per port for fast and simultaneous charging. This design ensures quick and efficient charging, minimizing downtime. Equipped with an intelligent system, the built-in chip allows users to check the charge status through LED lights, providing timely information. This feature also serves as a reminder to unplug the power, preventing equipment overheating. The user-friendly design includes dual USB output ports for charging mobile devices like cell phones, iPods, and tablets. The charger's excellent portability adds to its convenience, making worry-free charging a reality. The battery charger replacement for DeWalt Kcb 104 is a reliable and efficient charging solution for DeWalt battery users.